How to fix CHKDSK command errors on Windows. Here are some steps on how to fix CHKDSK errors. Restart your computer. Press and hold the Shift key as your computer is starting up. Release the Shift key when you see the Choose an Option screen. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Select the command prompt subsection in Windows Safe Mode. Type the following command and press enter. CHKDSK/FX, hint, replace X, with the drive letter that contains the error. Wait for the scan to complete. Restart your computer. If the scan finds and fixes any errors, your computer should be working properly again. If the scan does not find any errors, or if the errors are not fixed, you may need to contact your computer manufacturer or a qualified technician for help. How to use CHKDSK to fix errors on your Windows PC. CHKDSK is a command line utility that can be used to check a disk for errors and fix them. To run CHKDSK, open a command prompt window and type the following command, CHKDSK drive letter, /F for example. To check the C drive, you would type CHKDSK/F. The /F switch tells CHKDSK to fix any errors that it finds. CHKDSK will scan the specified drive for errors and fix them if possible. It will also display a report of any errors that it finds. If CHKDSK finds errors that it cannot fix, you may need to contact your computer manufacturer or a qualified technician for help. Here are some additional things. Keep in mind when using CHKDSK, CHKDSK can only fix errors on local drives. It cannot fix errors on network drives or removable media. CHKDSK cannot fix errors on drives that are in use. If you try to run CHKDSK on a drive that is in use, you will receive an error message. CHKDSK can take a long time to run, especially on large drives. Be patient and let CHKDSK finish scanning the drive before you do anything else. CHKDSK should be run regularly to help keep your drives healthy. 2. What are two switches used to fix errors that CHKDSK finds? The two switches used to fix errors that CHKDSK finds are /F. This switch tells CHKDSK to fix any errors that it finds. /R. This switch tells CHKDSK to recover any lost or damaged clusters. For example, to run CHKDSK and fix any errors on the C drive, you would type the following command, CHKDSK C/F/R. These switches can be used together or separately.